Welcome back to my channel, Miss Medicine. I hope you have written your exam very well. This video is about recall questions of pharmacology, June 2021 FMG. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So the first question is, which of the following anti-diabetic drug does not require dose reduction in renal failure? The answer is linagliptin. Next question, a female patient was taking warfarin for prosthetic heart valves. She became pregnant. What advice will you give regarding use of this drug in early pregnancy? Change warfarin to heparin. Next question, which of the following drugs used in the emergency management of asthma does not act by causing bronchodilation? The answer is hydrocortisone. Next question, which of the following is the action of dopamine at low doses? Options are it causes hypertension, it have positive chronotropic action, it causes vasoconstriction, and it increases renal blood flow. The correct answer is it increases renal blood flow. Next question, a female patient presented with pain and redness in grade 2. Serum uric acid level is 9.6. Apart from prescribing analgesics for relieving pain, the physician prescribed a drug which can decrease the formation of uric acid. Which of the following enzyme is likely to be inhibited by this drug? The answer is xanthine oxidase. Next question, vitamin that increases the absorption of iron from the stomach is vitamin C. Next question, longest acting phosphodiesterase inhibitor among the following drugs is tadalafil. Next question, which of the following statements about these drugs is true? The answer is drug A and B have equal efficacy, but A is more potent than drug B. Next question, which of the following antidepressant drug acts by inhibiting the reuptake of both serotonin and noradrenaline? The answer is venlafaxine. Next question, a 4-year-old boy drank full bottle of iron syrup. What is the antidote for acute iron poisoning? The answer is desferrioxamine. Next question, which of the following antimicrobials is contraindicated in a patient with seizure disorder? Two options are correct, ofloxacin and moxifloxacin, but ofloxacin is more likely to be the answer. Next question, which of the following drug is preferred for closure of ductus arteriosus in a preterm baby with PDA? The correct answer are two options, ibuprofen and indomethacin, but ibuprofen will be preferred than indomethacin. Next question, drug of choice for treatment of digoxin-induced ventricular arrhythmia is lidocaine. Next question, isotope of iodine used for the treatment of thyroid cancer is iodine 131, iodine 123, iodine 127 and iodine 125. The correct answer is iodine 131. Next question, a patient was given halothane for general anesthesia. He developed rigidity and hyperthermia. These symptoms are most likely due to which ion? The answer is calcium. Next question, a lady was stung by many bees. She developed breathing difficulty and hypotension. Drug used for the treatment of this condition is adrenaline. Next question, a patient presented to the hospital with road traffic accident. The patient has raised ICP without intracranial hematoma. Which of the following is the preferred drug for the management of this patient? The answer is mannitol. Next question, a patient of COVID-19 requires oxygen therapy. Which of the following cylinders should be used to provide oxygen to this patient? The answer is A, black for the oxygen. Next question, a drug addict patient presented with agitation and ulceration on skin. The patient had severe itching and scratch marks on the body. On examination, there is presence of tachycardia, mydriasis and hypertension. Likely substance responsible for these symptoms is cocaine. Next question. A patient presented with weakness of limb muscles, especially in evening after work. The symptoms improved after hydrophonium test. The person is likely suffering from myasthenia gravis. Next question. A patient on treatment of myasthenia gravis presents with increasing muscle weakness. Which of the following drug is used to differentiate myasthenia gravis from cholinergic crisis is hydrophonium? Next question. A man traveled to Assam. After coming back, he developed fever, chills and rigors, and altered sensorium. The peripheral smear demonstrated the presence of Plasmodium falciparum. What is the treatment of choice for this patient is IV artesunate. Next question. A patient had a history of previous child with Down syndrome. Currently on lithium therapy, present for antenatal checkup. Which of the following condition is the fetus at the greatest risk of Epstein anomaly? Next question. Hormones and endogenous substances that are involved in regulation of calcium balance in the body are vitamin D, parathyroid hormone and the calcitonin. Next question. Which of the following drugs can be used for the treatment of undescended testes? The answer is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Next question. After eating an unknown plant, a child present to emergency in comatose state. The pupils were dilated and skin was dry. Body temperature is raised and heart rate is high. These signs and symptoms can occur with the intake of which of the following substance? The answer is Dhatura. Next question. A farmer presented to the emergency with garlic odor, pinpoint pupil and excessive secretions. Which of the following is drug of choice for the treatment of this poisoning? The answer is atropine. Next question. An elder male developed the symptoms of dementia and was diagnosed as Alzheimer's disease. Which neurotransmitter level is reduced in this disease? The answer is acetylcholine. Next question. The elder patient presented with tremors, rigidity and bradykinesia. The most likely neurotransmitter affected in the brain of this patient is dopamine. Next question. Which of the following combination of seizure and its first line drug is not correct? The correct answer is myoclonic topiramate.